Now that you have decided and you know that you are curious, you enjoy looking at research documents or reading, and you enjoy numbers, let's get to the real skills in data science. There are fundamentally three important skills that you must have. You must know databases, so which could include SQL, Teradata, Excel, and so on. Even in databases, you will be comfortable with databases, how to append, merge, join. Number two, you must be able to build algorithms on data. Obviously, when you're looking at big data, you won't be able to see them in Excel. That is why you have constructs in SQL, Hadoop, and so on. So you should be comfortable using a code and leveraging statistics, machine learning to be able to interpret and glean key trends from the data. And that is where Python and R become important. So SQL, Python, or R. The third one, you should be passionate, as it comes back to my earlier discussion about curiosity, in getting to the root of the problem. So, deep interest in understanding what is the business problem you are trying to solve. What is the AI solution which you're going to be implementing using machine learning and big data? And how is it going to help your end customer or the end consumers? That would require skills in appreciating the business angle of it. Now, these three constructs, so whether it is retail, whether it is pharmaceuticals, whether it is banking, and so on. So, these three factors is something you need to be very, very comfortable in. So, if I were to recommend, and that's what we do at ATI, in the first 6 months, become confident in SQL, Python, or R, classification models using cluster analysis, and predictive models using logistic regression. Once you are comfortable with this, then your foundation is strong.